Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Nick's tutorials. In this video we are going to see how to loop a YouTube video on YouTube. And when I say loop, I mean that the video keeps repeating again and again and again and again and again and again without stopping and without shifting to another video or another autoplay video or anything. Just keep the same video playing and restarting. So let's get started and get, for example, this video. Make this like this, theater mode. And let's start the video. So right click anywhere in the video, click loop. As you can see, that's looping. Like go to the end, play. As you can see, the video is restarting again. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.